Hey lovies, this is your girl, the Pineapple Hair Boss, and I'm gonna be doing my first DIY video, which I will be showing you how I completed and achieved my passion twist. I used the rubber band method, as you can see here. I'm now finishing off the last braid. I actually have 5 braids that I hadn't finished when I was doing this hair. So I'm just gonna show you how I achieved one. I first start off by putting some water with mixed in with a few products, which are castor oil, Vitafro growth oil, and some Afri-True moisturizing hair butter, which you can get at Clicks. Here you can see me detangling my hair using my fingers just before applying the molding gel wax, which is by Styling Dreads. I apply the product and work it through with my fingers to make sure all the strands are covered in the product. This helps in moisturizing and preparing my hair into now braiding or twisting. So I put on a bit of more water to now loosen my hair from the wax, and I start detangling from the tip of my hair to the root. I find that when I put on water before detangling with the wax, it loosens it up and it helps with the detangling. Once I'm done with detangling my hair, whatever product is left on the comb, I am now reapply it on my hair to make sure I get all of the product in my hair. You can see here my hair is now moisturized and reverting back into its natural state with the products in it. It's surprising how it's actually resembling the passion twist hair. So I'm now showing you how to use the crochet needle. You just first slide it through the rubber banded hair and then use the hook to hook the hair piece and then slide it back out. I don't usually close the latch when I do my crochets, because I find that when I try sliding it out, the latch closes on its own, especially with smaller braids. So if it's bigger braids, you are definitely going to need to close the latch. Here I'm about to show you how to prepare the length of the hairpiece before braiding or before twisting, just to match the length on both strands, and then you now twist just once around the base of the braid to conceal the rubber band, and then you now take your actual hair and also part it into 2 strands to now incorporate into the hairpiece to now start braiding. Twisting, I don't know why I keep on saying braiding, but I think it's probably the same thing. Then you now twist and try to make it as tight as possible where your hair still is, to make sure that it is really incorporated into the hairpiece, and make sure the ends as well are concealed within the hairpiece, to make sure that when the hairpiece, once you're done twisting, it actually also sort of reverts back to its coily texture, coily state. So when you twist, you don't even need to make sure that you are doing precise twists, as it is already curly in itself, I mean the hair. So this is just about it. Done with 1 twist and 4 more to go. I hope you guys try doing this on your own. If not, I'm available to style you. You can just go on the link in my bio and book your next appointment. Thank you.